Okay.
Ayan, kamusta na ito? Comedy, alam naman na nakakatawa ka, pero ito comedy, sitcom na talaga. How does it feel? Kamusta experience?
Masaya naman kasi parang katulad sa bahay talaga. It's really what it feels like at home. You see the banter, yung relationship at dynamics. Kasi syempre naman every family goes through certain problems in life and there's good and bad to it. So it's really something that I hope is very relatable to everyone who watches the show.
Reaction mo sa sinabi ni Direk, makapal daw mukha mo. Ano yun, na-compliment?
Ah, really? Compliments mo yan?
Kasi pag masyado kang mayaan, wala kang mapupuntahan.
Oo.
But you're very great. Ano mo yun?
Hilig naman ako. Thank you. Thank you, Direk. Salamat to Direk.
So ito ka ba? Hindi ka ba yung nasa? Hindi mahihain?
Minsan, depende. Kung gutom ako, mahiya ako.
Hindi ka
Bakit hindi ka ba nainggit kay Andres, meron siyang heart? Ikaw parang wala kang medyo partner dito. O may papasok ba na makaka-partner mo? Parang ganun.
Hindi ako inggit kasi I'm really enjoying work talaga. So, totoo lang.
So
Parang,
dito walang love angle sa'yo? Sa first family?
I don't
Who knows?
Parang
know.
wala
Who knows? I don't know. Pero, we'll see because we're just on episode 5 now, taping. So, we'll see where the story goes. Pero,
Okay, sa'yo kung may papasok na guy, tapos medyo magkakaroon kayo ng love angle, gano'n.
kung if Direk wants that, it's game. Of course, no problem at all. Basta work is work.
Wala namang particular person kung sino yung gusto mo?
Wala po kasi bago pa rin ako. So, can't decide. Yeah.
Saan ka nahihirapan? Kung meron ka mga part na nahihirapan gawin dito sa sitcom, meron ba?
Siguro yung kasi madaldal ako. At yung lines ko dito sa The First Family, Tagalog. Pero we have to start somewhere and I'm really excited to learn. And syempre naman, especially sa Ipulaga, pwede kong maggamit yung lines sa Ipulaga or yung Tagalog ko. It's developing through time and just excited that slow and steady steps moving forward.
Si Andres, kamusta Tagalog mo?
Mas magaling si
Magaling
Andres
siya,
sa Tagalog
sabi mo nga.
kasi yung ever since he was little, meron siya Filipino, Tagalog. Pero he's doing a great job. And actually, I'm so proud kasi first time niya mag-act with all of us. Natural na natural si Andres. Super. Parang walang kaba.
For those who will watch First Family, ano ba yung gusto niyong message na i-relay sa families, sa relationships? Di ba kung ako yung audience, anong aabangan ko sa First Family?
Yung dynamic ng families talaga, yung tunay na pamilya, yung there's a lot of love, there's a lot of laughter, and with every single hardship, there will always be someone smiling. That's all I can say muna, pero I hope that the First Family will make everyone laugh and it will take you guys away from whatever it is. Just as we are going through any problems we face as the First Family.
O, pa-invite na sa first.
Hey guys, I'm inviting you guys to watch The First Family sa TV5 every Sundays at 7:15 p.m.
Thank you!
Thank you!